In the Mojave Desert, colossal machines that once conquered the skies now lie dormant, awaiting their fate. But through the lens of materials engineering, this is not a scrapyard. It is a vast mine of valuable resources. The empty engine nacelles are merely a pause before a new cycle of energy transformation begins. The rebirth process begins as heavy industrial machinery enters the staging area.
The stress fractures along this rib are worse than expected.
Should we adjust the dismantling sequence?
A single physical contact marks the end of one life cycle and the beginning of a transformation. Hydraulic force tears through the reinforced skin, destroying the giant's structural integrity. Gravity pulls the massive alloy sections downward, creating the first physical impact in the recycling chain. The pace of dismantling accelerates. Long aluminum panels are ripped apart like paper under pure mechanical power. This enormous mass of scrap is immediately transported to the advanced processing complex. At the recycling facility, aerospace waste prepares to enter the stage of microscopic dismantling. Conveyor belts carry large aluminum sections directly into a high-capacity twin-shaft shredder. Alloy steel teeth chew through the aircraft structure, reducing it to fragments barely 10 centimeters in size. The stream of scrap enters an optical sorting tunnel where microscopic analysis technology will determine its fate. Laser sensors bombard the metal surfaces, generating plasma sparks to measure their chemical spectra in an instant. High-strength 2000 series and 7000 series aluminum alloys are separated with perfect precision according to their physical trajectories. His rigorous selection process produces homogeneous alloy batches, achieving exceptional purity for the metallurgical stage. In the casting workshop, purified aluminum feedstock is poured directly into the heart of a gigantic induction furnace. Instead of flames, the furnace uses electromagnetic fields to liquefy the aluminum, creating a dazzling crystal-like surface. Despite careful sorting, surface chemical reactions still generate a thin insulating oxide layer. Automated robotic arms skim away this foamy slag, restoring a flawless, mirror-bright metallic surface. The molten aluminum bath has now reached aerospace-grade purity, carrying an immense reservoir of thermal energy. waterfall of molten metal descends through the air, maintaining a continuous flow before entering the forming mold. Liquid metal fills every cavity, obeying the strict mechanical geometry of the casting mold. An overhead crane lifts the massive billet, carrying tremendous thermal radiation as it moves through the factory. The billet is placed onto a heavy-duty roller system and directed toward the rolling mill. Plastic deformation occurs as the crystal lattice stretches, making the metal significantly thinner and longer. Compression forces continue to increase through successive rolling stands, shaping the aluminum strip into a perfectly flat sheet. High-pressure nozzles blast cold water directly onto the surface, performing rapid thermal treatment. A 10-meter aluminum sheet emerges from the mist, perfectly flat and possessing exceptional rigidity. Its smooth cross-section reveals a flawless crystal structure, completely free of internal voids. Forming forces bend the metal sheet into a perfect arc without damaging its microstructure. Each curved shell section is lifted vertically and transported to a gigantic cylindrical assembly frame. The segments are aligned edge to edge with tolerances measured in mere micrometers. The welding tool penetrates deep into the joint. Frictional heat softens the metal and blends it together without the need for flame. The weld advances steadily, leaving behind an ultra-strong joint capable of withstanding greater loads than the original material itself. The recycled aluminum structure is lifted and installed onto the rocket's primary booster stage inside the vehicle assembly building. The completed Super Heavy rocket slowly rolls out of the factory, carrying materials from a previous era. Supercooled propellant floods the tanks, causing the aluminum skin to contract and release streams of white vapor. The metal that once crossed the oceans is now ready to confront the vacuum of space. Shock diamonds appear within the supersonic exhaust plume, unleashing immense thermodynamic energy. Beyond the atmosphere, the recycled aluminum skin shines beneath the sunlight, officially beginning its mission to conquer the stars.